welcome to the 100% talent stage, Kemoy, and he will be performing for us.
Original. Alright, so it's a song that I wrote many years ago. It's a cultural Jamaica song, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright? Jamaica sweet, Jamaica nice, Jamaica full of vibes, Jamaica right, and the place to be every day and night. Independence Day and weekend, sweet Jamaica nice, Jamaica full of vibes, Jamaica right, and the place to be every day and night. Independence Day and weekend, the gold, green and the black, wave that stadium pack when a match. The athlete them camp on top, not to mention the sweets and beach. I don't drip a fan, enough of them reach. Come tickle me Jamaica, make me laugh with me 32 teeth. Sweet Jamaica nice, Jamaica full of a Jamaica right, and the place to be every day and night. Independence Day and weekend, sweet Jamaica nice, Jamaica full of a Jamaica right, and the place to be every day and night. Independence Day and weekend, watch it jelly man pan the corner, watch it little man a hustling banana, young pumpkin, Irish and cassava, the national fish, ackee and saltfish. Me say, sweet Jamaica nice, Jamaica full of a Jamaica right, and the place to be every day and night. Independence Day and weekend, sweet Jamaica nice, Jamaica full of a Jamaica right, and the place to be every day and night. Fly out, go to foreign, go tell everybody Jamaican nice, come take a tour then if you don't believe me. One love from the mouth of Bob Marley, me love the vibe, me love the culture, me love the history. Tell uncle, auntie, grandpa and granny, no me no mind if you tell everybody, sweet Jamaica nice, Jamaica full of a Jamaica right, and it needs to be every day and night. Independence Day and weekends, weekends, weekends.
What do you say? Jamaica sweet, Jamaica nice?
Okay.
On sound. Is it a red or a green?
Green.
What do you say?
Green.
Green? Green? You can go on?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so